Hey JV affiliates, friends, come join me for a new release of Quiz Videos Mastery. I'm real excited and all the details are on the page here. This is the first public release I've done in about a year. I've been releasing privately, but I want to get all of my business partners in on this too, because this is going to be a big seller. It's a niche that people know a little bit about and can really make good money with. Why? Because these are faceless channels, number one, so nobody has to be on camera. They're quizzes and they're easy to make in Canva. I'll talk more about that in a moment. And there's no barrier to entry. You just need a Gmail address and you are set. So I'm going to log into the product, show you around just a little bit, and then I will wrap this up so we can start selling this mother, okay? So on the main page here, I've got a bit of talk about how this all works, including some numbers showing some money that these other quiz channels are making, which is pretty good money. And over here in the menu, I've got more coverage, go into more details here. This is Social Blade, by the way. It's this great analytic tool, and I show people some numbers that are coming out of that. Then creating a YouTube channel. Well, I just don't say, hey, go create a YouTube channel. What I've done here over these videos is I've created a YouTube channel. I've created a brand new quiz channel for myself. It's called Quiz Engine, and I'm going to be building that one up, but I've recorded every step to create the channel. So your customers who know nothing about YouTube channels, never made a video, whatever, I got them all covered because they can just follow along step by step everything that I did. So that's the channel setup. And over here I have the steps for creating a quiz video. So it's all in here as well. Canva. So I use the paid version of Canva because you can do some things quicker, but if people don't have the pro or paid version of Canva, they can do it with the free version as well, because even the free version can make videos. Boom, everybody's in. Still, no money if they don't want to spend anything past this product that you and I are splitting the money on, of course. All right, so I've got a few more things here to fill out over the next couple of days, but I just wanted to get you in here now to start seeing this. So check down, up, down the page here for the pricing. I have a funnel, I have a contest. It's all coming together really nice. January 14th, that's the release date. So I hope to see you in, getting some sales, and contact me for anything really, because I want this to fly for you and for me, of course, too. So thanks for watching. Review access below, all that stuff, and get in touch with me if you need to. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Check out these quiz videos. I'm going to show you around a little bit to give you an idea of what this is all about. And let's start with the one right in front of us, which I created yesterday, and it took me less than an hour. This is a live video on YouTube. And in the training of Quiz Video Mastery, I'm going to show you how I set up my channel and created this video. But I want to show you some of the real success stories because my channel just started yesterday. But check this out. I've got a few open here, like here, Quiz Rainbow. They have 575,000 subscribers. That's an incredible number. And let's see how much money they make. These are estimates. This is a service called Social Blade, which does track YouTube channels. And the estimated money for that channel right here is anywhere from close to $4,000 per month to up to $58,000 a month. Now, you may be asking, what is going on with there with such a big range? It has to do with the type of ads that get run on the channel. So it is a big range, but what the heck? I mean, $4,000 a month, is that something to sneeze at? I don't think so. I think that's pretty good. Let's go look at another one. We have here Quiz Blitz. 835,000 subscribers. So let's talk about that just for a moment. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers, or where your videos have been watched up to 4,000 hours, you get monetized. That means YouTube will pay you to have ads running on your videos. So we love those ads. We love the money. How much can you make? Let's see what Quiz Blitz is doing here. They are making anywhere from almost $5,000 to almost $75,000 per month. And on a yearly basis, almost $1 million a year, or at least $56,000 a year. Take your pick. All of these are good numbers, right? All right, let's look at a little more here. We've got Quiz Kingdom. And you're going to start to notice all these videos kind of look the same. They're all kind of made the same. They're all pretty easy to make once you got the system down a little bit. Hey, I'm not going to tell you you'll instantly make one in an hour like I did, because I already know how to make these. But they're just made in Canva, and they're pretty simple compared to other types of videos where a person's talking, because there's none of that. You are not seen in these videos. What a relief. You don't have to be on camera. Anyway, this is Quiz Kingdom, and they are making, only about $836 a month, or up to $13,000. We don't know for sure, but what a great range. And I'll show you one more just to get it out of the way, because I have it here. And I want to show you this one even a little more in particular, because this one has only been around about a year. So I'm recording this on January 1st, 2024, very close to about 1 year ago that they started. And what are they making? Let's see. Monkey Quiz here is making over 1,000, anywhere up to 30,000. Again, it's a weird range. We don't know, but anything in here is a big success as far as I'm concerned. And they have made, this particular channel, 360 videos in a year. That's one per day. Or once they got some going, they probably got somebody else to make them for them. That's another part of this business is, learning how to get others to do the work for you. Of course, if you're like me, you start doing it all yourself for a little while till it gets going, and then you can hire out to inexpensive help, like a VA. Anyway, so this is all about how these videos and these channels work in Quiz Videos Mastery that I put together here. And in the training, I show you how I created a brand new channel called Quiz Engine. It's one of these quiz channels that's out there now. And my very first video, which I made, because I just started this yesterday, it's the start of my journey to getting up to the level of these people. And I want to say one more thing, all right? You do need to get to 1,000 subscribers or to 4,000 watch hours. And the thing is, when you got videos, I used to make a lot of YouTube videos where I'd do review videos, like I'd review a product or some service, or I'd be an affiliate marketer for somebody, and I would have to film myself talking and show the inside of the product that I was reviewing, and it was work, and I had to edit the video, and it would take a while to do, and could take me 2 or 3 hours to make one video. These don't take that long at all. Once you got the system down using Canva, it's pretty easy to do. So that's Quiz Video Mastery. Please check out everything on the sales page. I'm so excited to show you something about YouTube and getting monetized. Let's do this.